Today, I'm going to show you how to roll a cash secured put out in time to generate more premium with it. You can see in my account, I have a cash secured put on the ETF, IWM, that is expiring in 2 days. I actually just sold it, but now I'm going to roll it out 1 week and generate more premium with it. So first I'm going to select my new expiration date. I'm going to look at September 20th and the new strike price of $2.05. So I can generate $1.63 a share for this contract, which would be $163. But if you look at my existing position, it is worth $81, or right now $83. That's a negative number in my account. So in order to roll it, I have to pay $81.50, and then I can sell the new contract that will bring in more money than that. So I'm going to click on this position, roll selected. So a roll is actually 2 orders just placed at the same time. So right now, in order to close my existing position, I have to buy 1 contract that expires September 13th. And we've already seen that's going to cost about $81 to $85. And then I'm going to, at the same time, sell a new contract that expires September 20th and lower my strike price to $205. So I can expect a net credit of about $83 to $85. I'm going to review the order, and I double check a few things. Buying 1 contract and selling 1 new contract. And I also look here with the cost and make sure that I see the word credit, because every time I touch trade, I like to make sure I am generating income from it. So everything looks good. I sent it. It filled immediately. Let's see how much I got for it. $85, but I had to pay 66 cents per contract in trading fees. So here we are. This was the open position, and then here's the new position. IWM rolled a cash secured put out to September 20th and down to $205. So my new collateral requirement is $205, and I generated $83.68. And the order I just placed closed this position. And if I want to total up what I've done here, I actually placed 2 orders and got premium twice today. I received $89.34, and then I rolled it out and received $83.68. So I've received $173.02, and on September 20th, if the share price is $205 or below, I will be assigned to buy 100 shares of this fantastic ETF. And until then, I'm holding $20,500 in cash to secure it.